Another common question is I can't see my map. My map page is straight white. My map has disappeared.
1 million phone calls for that issue. A very simple. Now, talking to the engineers about a year ago, what it used to come up was declutter maps, on or off. So who in the hell knows what declutter is? Well, I can tell you, it's bringing a big white screen and a lot of phone calls. So since then, they now have it to where it's map on or off. I guess we're getting ready to find out if this one's been updated or not. But so all you do with that, same thing, you're gonna go to your map, you hit your menu screen, and you have to scroll down. And you see where it says now, it says hide maps. See how you have a white screen now so it doesn't show you any bird's eye or any maps. And your goal is if you're having trouble finding something or one of your dogs, it takes a lot of that declutter away so you can see everything on the screen. Not a lot of people use it. But if you ever go and your maps are gone, your topo's gone, everything's gone but you and the dogs, that's more likely all you've hit or something's happened. Go right in and hit show maps. Now, if you don't see show maps, declutter, or is declutter on or off? Now, what I'd highly recommend if you see that on your unit, go update it. It's very, very important. Go to one of our other videos, go to how you update this unit. And then that is going to make it, there's multiple things that the engineers have fixed in these units and made better. And if that update now has been for at least a year, very important, get it updated because there's some other things that have been fixed too that would greatly help the unit.